Congressman Kiko, I'm Kiko Matos. Few questions. Do you think may magangyaring resulta sa pagkalampag ng taong bayan?
Yes. Ngayon o every day?
Itong kabuuan na ginagawa natin ngayon?
Well, hopefully, hindi natin alam, but we always have to increase our efforts. Lagi natin, mas gagalingan pa natin next time. We'll bring more people, we'll have more equipment, we'll make a larger amount of noise.
And may I know your opinion about yung pagbato ng issue mula sa paikot-ikot sa Kongreso and then sa Senado, tas ngayon, ibinabato ngayon sa ICI. Siyempre, frustrated na yung mga tao, nagbi-build up na yung anger. Ano yung masasabi mo sa mga nangyayari?
Problema kasi dyan, in terms of, in legal terms, ay pag lagi nating iniintay or lagi nang natin hinahayaan sila, people will keep losing faith in the justice system. Kasi ngayon nga, wala pang napapakulong, and that's the very big issue here. If the justice system fails us, who can we depend on? And that's why we are here instead of just waiting for the courts to bring justice for us.
So if walang justice, tas mag-escalate ang situation, who can help us?
If the situation escalates, firstly, it will lead to economic collapse, and secondly, it might possibly lead to Mindanao secession, civil war, everything. There are plenty of potential downsides, potential chaos that will emerge pag walang nagbago dito. Kasi lumalaki na yung issue, nakita natin sa mga ibang bansa, yung mga nagpo-protesta doon, yung mga nasusunog na mga government buildings doon. And we're very close to that point. We don't want to reach that point. Gusto natin ng peaceful protest, and we want positive change in our government without necessarily sacrificing any government structures.
Shout out us, reaction vlog, YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. Mabuhay kayo.
How about the military? Do you think they can take over? Do you think pwede natin sila asahan?
Very possible. Pero yung military kasi, they depend on the will of the people. Once we show that the people are angry at the government, sila din ang mag-withdraw ng support. Katulad ng nangyari nung EDSA on the recent people power, yung nawala si Henry.
Last question. I've heard na you wanted to be the House Speaker. What would you do to change the situation?
If I become House Speaker or to become House Speaker?
The leader.
Once I'm the leader, I'll make sure to imprison everyone involved. And kahit if that involves half of Congress, if that involves 100, 200 congressmen, then I will do it.
How about the change of constitution?
That's also very possible, pero ngayon, the Constitution, it will be a legal term. Ngayon, ang problema natin, our immediate issue is the stolen funds and the pervasive corruption within our government. Any constitutional change will happen after that.
Okay. But would you believe or support in the death penalty? Kasi yung mga tao, I'm assuming lahat
maraming naghihingi ng death penalty.
Naghihingi ng death penalty.
Yes, very supportive, especially for rapists, murderers. At ang problema kasi natin, we are one of the most populated, we're one of the countries with the most populated prisons. Yung death penalty, ba't pa natin hayaan mabuhay ng mga 20 years, 30 years yung mga nagmamanyak ng mga bata when we can just kill them and save all the money that we would have spent on their food and on their cell.
Kung sakaling bumaba si Bongbong Marcos ngayon, ang obviously na mahahalal si Duterte. Ano palagay mo doon?
Well, anyone except Marcos, I'm pretty sure na siya naman ayaw niya kay Marcos, so I'm sure that she will be able to imprison those involved in the flood control kasi hindi naman sila pati ni Romualdez, hindi naman niya poprotektan sila Romualdez at yung mga congressman na gusto siyang ipa-impeach. So it's very possible that we will get justice.
One last question, Congressman. I've heard nagbo-boxing ka.
Nagbo-boxing.
Baka pwede tayo mag-train minsan.
Sure, sige.
Yeah, thank you very much, Congressman.
Thank you.
Meow, 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 meow. Ano? Ano?
Sumabay ka na!
Ano? Kiko! Thank you very much. Thank you.
Salamat po.
Yo, what's up? Andito tayo kasama natin the Chichester.
Kiko Matos!
Project 1 million Ground Zero. Ano? Yan. You know, wild bro. Nanginginig ako. Asan na yung camera natin? Asan si Malaya? Asan si Andito tayo sa mga magigiting nating pulis na nagsasakripisyo para ma-maintain ang peace and order. Ayan.
Para marinig.
Sige. Sir, good evening. Ayun, so nandito tayo ngayon sa ating magigiting na pulis na nagsasakripisyo, nagpupuyat para i-maintain ang peace and order. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Sir, ano yung inaasahan natin? Peaceful rally? Peaceful, no? Wala. Gusto lang natin ng peaceful rally. Hindi natin gusto mangyari yung nangyari sa Mendiola. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa gitna ng EDSA sa may Buendia. Ito ang gate sa Forbes Park. Ayan. Tapos may commotion na nangyari doon. Ano kaya nangyayari doon? Check out natin. Nandito na si Congressman Kiko Barzaga. As you can see, ayan siya in the flesh. Sige. Ang sinisigaw ng mga tao ay Marcos resign. Congressman Kiko Barzaga is in Forbes Gate along at Buendia corner, EDSA corner Buendia, tama.
Uy, si Kiko Matos pala to eh. Oh, ito pa isang Kiko. Kiko Matos.
What's up? What's up? Yo, salamat sa sa suporta nitong movement natin.
Bossing, kaway naman ang konti.
What's up, bossing? Ilang viewers mo ngayon? 3,000. Ang lakas sa Facebook, ah.
Pareho tayong gwapo. Hindi, YouTube yan.
I mean, yeah, YouTube. Oo.
Kiko Matos, Badong Aratis.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Sige.
Sige.
Okay lang po.
Oo, sige.
Thank you sa pag-documentary sa kasi marami akong kasama.
Ano pangalan mo ulit, bro?
Ako si Adrian ng Radical Collective Black at PDK. Palayain ng Menjola 277. Palayain!
Yeah. Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you. Ang daming tao eh.
Oo nga eh. Ayan. Nakita natin ngayon, dito si Congressman Kiko Barzaga. Kasalukuyan na ako, honestly, hindi yung in-expect kong tao, hindi dumating. I mean, hindi ito yung karamihan ng Kamaynilaan o karamihan ng kabataan. Pero it doesn't matter. What's important is people still came out to come here. Kasi kung makikita natin, this is like around maybe a few hundreds and 200s na tao. Oh, maybe 100. And maraming tao pa rin yung 100 people.
Baka sa traffic pa iba.
Yung iba baka na traffic rin. Yung iba hindi sigurado kung may nangyayari dito. At least
Kasi marami rin gate. Baka yung nangyari sa atin, doon din sila.
Oo, tama. Kanina rin umikot kami, ang daming gate ang Forbes Park. Hindi rin namin alam kung saan exactly yung rally. Pero nakikita natin, slowly, little by little, may mga taong dumarating, nagkukumpulan na, nadadagdagan. There are 3 or 5 people coming in every minute. And kasalukuyan ngayon, si Congressman Kiko Barzaga, si Tukayo, nandyan sa likod. Mamaya, susubukan natin na makausap si Congressman. Meron tayong mga konting katanguhan. Oo, kaya. Yun ang iniisip ko eh.
Kasi sigurado, doon ang pinag-makikita.
Oo.
Swine.
Sige.
Excuse me, pwede ko go.
Subukan na natin mag-interview kay Congressman Kiko.
Please, kabilang side ata.
Doon ka sa kabilang side.
Kasi nandiyan yung big camera eh.
Sige.
Boss. Thank you.